Okay, hello guys. So now I'm going to show you how we're going to make with GPT the full documentation for our platform through very simple steps. So basically, I gave you a PDF file, which is based on this. It's basically asking all the questions we need to define before we're making our platform, okay? So what I want you now to do, you can go to ChatGPT or any other AI platform. I recommend ChatGPT because you can make project folders. Let's create a new project in ChatGPT, but again, it's not necessary. Let's call it clip captions. We will create a new project. Now we will write in the instructions, you're going to help me create new web app with Lovable.dev. Okay, let's keep it simple. And now the first thing I want you guys to do, you can choose O3 Mini, okay, and you can choose 4.0. I wouldn't choose any other of them. Okay, look like I anyway need to choose 4.0. Okay, and let's just take our PDF, put it in ChatGPT, and now I will go to my feature list, copy that, and now I will write them in the instructions. Make for me full specs document based on that feature list. And I will write them, don't add anything that not include in the feature list. Because sometimes it can add you some stuff that can make you problems in Lovable. And let's send. Okay, so we're going through the PDF and then it's going to just answer the questions. Okay, and let's go through it. It's really important that you will go through it, and we basically need to make sure we delete anything we don't need. What I suggest, this is another reason why I love ChatGPT, you can open it in Canvas, and that way you could delete anything you don't need. So now let's go through it together, one by one, okay? It's really important you will do it and not just go like on autopilot mode, because it for sure will do you problems later on in the process. Okay, so we basically probably want one page for uploading and one page to see what we did. And he did for us like a dashboard, but I'm not sure we want it. So let's try to explain him. We want one page for uploading, which should also be the main homepage, and another page for the history, which kind of can be the dashboard page. Please edit the document, make sure we have only those pages. And now we might also want like a settings page. So let's add another thing. We also need a settings page, which in it users could change or cancel their subscription and change their name, or delete their account. I think that's enough. So it's basically the same. For admin wall, make another page for the admin panel as we discussed. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so that's change number one we're going to do, okay? Basically, again, what I wanted to do, I didn't want to have so many pages like he did here. He did dashboard, upload page, metadata results, history page. Too many pages. I want only two for the main function. So let's see now. It's going to change it. As we can see, home and upload page, perfect. History page, setting page, admin panel. Good, exactly what I wanted. Let's move on. Okay, he made for me Google authentication, and for the course, I'm not going to do it. It's pretty simple to do, but it's a little bit technical, so I'm going to delete it. I don't want email verification because it's going to make us problems. We don't need that. We never want to talk about future stuff when we're making prompts for Lovable, okay? We don't want it. It's just confusing the platform. Okay, great. So overall, we have a documentation. Now we need to enhance it a little bit. And by that, I mean, we need to decide how actually the platform is going to work. Let's make a plan to what fields we're going to have in the metadata creation. Okay, so let me show you what I did here. So basically, obviously I talked with GPT a little bit, but I didn't want to mess up with my document. I wanted basically to tell him, hey, those are the actual specific fields I want for the metadata creation of the platform, okay? So I am telling him, let's make a plan to what fields we're going to have in the metadata creation. Create a form to capture details, meaning the user need to put some details. Creator's name, video topic, language preference, relevant keywords, okay? It means he's going to send it to the AI in the backend to optimize our metadata, okay? It's going to help us get a better result. It's kind of like prompt engineering. And then we're saying, generate the metadata by integrating OpenAI GPT, yeah, that's obvious. Producing platform-specific outputs, meaning we're going to have YouTube output, we're going to have Instagram output, and we're going to have TikTok output, okay? On top of that, we're going to have SRT, subtitle file download. So I'm really telling him download and export metadata. So let's send it to the document. And basically now it's going to edit the documentation and let us have all the specific details we need to make actually in Lovable. Okay, now we probably should do it in all the fields. I'm going to do it only in those because I want to challenge myself a little bit, and we will see how we doing the other stuff on the go, okay, while we're working in Lovable. Perfect, he did it. Okay guys, so basically we finished to make our documentation. Now I'm going to show you how we're going to use it to make our Notion documentation. So let's meet in the next video and we will start learn about Notion, all the basics we need.